Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Devana and my channel is all about growing. In today's video, I'm going to repot some of my plants that I have had in my office that are growing roots. Some of my co-workers, we take pieces of our plants and we give them to each other. One more. So they've been in water for several months now, and it's just time to put them in some soil. Also, I have a few pots here in my house that just need to be put in to bigger pots. This one my son knocked over, so we're gonna do that one. We have another. The roots are growing out of its pot. So we're just gonna do a lot of repotting today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do another video, because if you saw the video before this about me repotting my fiddle leaf fig, the dirt that I used, the soil that I used, someone gave me, and it was topsoil. So it was super crunchy and super hard. So now it's just sitting on top of my plants, and I can already tell that my plant does not like it. So I'm gonna be repotting that tomorrow. The fiddle leaf fig and then the emerald something. So let's get straight into this video. I went to Home Depot when I got out of work and got some Miracle Grow potting mix, some indoor potting mix, and then I had some cactus, and I put it all in this pot right here. You can tell the difference between the soil. I can't even believe this looks like, honestly, it looks like concrete, and I'm so disappointed. And you can tell, look at my plant, my money tree already. You can tell because it's starting to get yellow, and I can't believe I did that. So I'm just gonna do these plants over. All right, so let me get my pots. All right, so if you don't know, I make personal painted flower pots, and I don't have any made right now to repot in, but this is one of the ones that I did. If you're interested, you can follow me on Instagram at I am growing a green thumb. That's IAM_growing_ a green thumb, to see the designs and stuff that I make. All right, so right now I just have a whole bunch of nursery pots that I have left over. So I'm gonna use those because I can tell that Johnny Cash is not happy in that new soil, and I don't want to lose him. So I'm just gonna take one of the nursery pots that I have here with 1,000 drainage holes, and it's a lot of drainage holes, and I do want the drainage holes, but I just don't want the dirt to seep out of there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this moss at the bottom of here, just so I don't have dirt everywhere. All right. I'm just gonna scoop out some of my soil and put it in here. Take my rubber, what is it? A Ficus elastica. It is also AKA a rubber tree. So I'm just gonna make a little hole in here and then cover it up with some soil. So this one's been propagated since propagating in water for, I don't know, 6 or 7 months. That's why we have such big roots. But I definitely want to get it in some soil because it's time. And I'm gonna bring this right back to my office and put it on my desk. And that's it. Oh, no. There we go. Just enough to cover the roots. Done. And I'll probably put it in one of, if I can this weekend, make one of my decorative pots and put it in. If not, it's going to work just like this. All right, so there is that one. Again, a nursery pot with huge holes at the bottom. I'm gonna get some of this moss, put it at the bottom. I'm gonna do the heart-shaped philodendron. That's 2 pieces. Ooh. And just stick it in there. This one already has a lot of roots, so I don't want to put both of them in there and kind of crowd it. So I'm just going to do one at a time, which will give me 2 plants. This one might need a bamboo to help hold it up because it is a hanging plant. Maybe I'll leave it. 2 down. All right, another big one. This is what I make my moss poles out of. I get this from the Dollar Tree. Same purpose as the moss. Make sure that the dirt doesn't go through these huge holes. My peace lily. This peace lily has been sitting in water since May 23rd. All right, so this is my peace lily that's been in here since May 23rd. And I definitely have to keep up on my dates because a lot of you have been asking me, how long have I been propagating? And this is since May. So I'm gonna have to get a big pot for this one. This is big enough. Look at those roots. All right, I wonder if that's big enough. The next size would be this one, and I think that's too big. All right. I'm gonna put it in this one to see how she does. You're not gonna say hi since you're in the background?
You can see.
You can see it. Say hi.
For real?
All right. All right. I don't know. All right, so that's it for the peace lily, and we're moving right along. That's not very cute to be sitting on my desk, but it's in a new pot with fresh soil, and I think it will be fine. Back to my heart-shaped philodendron. I'm going to put it in the green one because it's my favorite color. Put some of this down. And this one doesn't have a lot of roots, so I can put it in a smaller one. It does. But I think it'll be all right. Make a little hole. I don't know, I feel like that's a lot of root to go in there. Would it be bad if I cut it? Let's see. This leaf looks so sad. It's been, I don't even know how long that one's been in water. I'm just gonna tuck it in and kind of hope for the best for these. So since they've been in water for months and months and months, I make sure after I put them in soil, I make sure that they're nice and wet because they're used to being in water. So that's one of my philodendrons because my boyfriend's putting up shelves and he's sick, but
Not sick.
you are sick. All right, but I'm going to pots on top of pots. This one, again, nice drainage holes. I'm going to put some of the moss in there. Just a little bit. So the soil can, the water can still go through. Get the roots on here. So she wrote. And just put a little soil around the sides. When I buy the plants, I like to keep them in their nurseries for a month or two, just so they can get used to being in the house here, and then repot them. I don't want to shock them too much. That's it. Cute. Easy peasy. This one, I don't like the soil. The soil's super dry. There's smoke out of there. Soil for my baby. I'm gonna do an update on him. Let me put his name tag back, Johnny Cash. And my friends, that is how you repot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants in under 15 minutes. Thank you for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.